Hi everyone, this is your daily weather hazard briefing from the National Weather Service office here in Pocatello, Idaho for Monday, April 22nd. Overall, we're going to see a pretty quiet start to the week, but things are definitely going to change as we get into the second half of the week and then more so even as we get into the weekend. So hopefully you're able to get out and enjoy this one. I know yesterday was pretty windy. Today will still be a little bit on the breezier side. Now again, not nearly as windy as it was yesterday, but generally some gusts throughout the day today around 25, 30, 35 miles per hour or so. But overall, fairly quiet start to the week here. Slight chance for a few showers as we get into tomorrow afternoon. That'll be mainly a little bit farther south and pretty limited in scope and coverage. But we will, after today, start to warm back up, at least for Tuesday and Wednesday. But then another system coming through will kind of cool us down and bring back some more active weather in the second half of the week and through the weekend. So here's a look at satellite this morning. You can still see some of that leftover zonal flow from yesterday, as we basically have still a few clouds streaming in from the west. But again, that's going to kind of back off a little bit as we go throughout the day today. It'll kind of be into more northwesterly flow aloft. But again, we'll see some clouds around, but we'll see some sunshine throughout the day too. Here's a look at your weather risk outlook grid. Again, today is pretty quiet aside from some of the breezy conditions. Tomorrow, relatively quiet too, aside from a few afternoon showers. Again, mainly farther south through parts of the southern hills and southeastern highlands. A lot of us will stay dry tomorrow though. It's once we get into kind of Wednesday, Thursday, Friday that those showers and potentially a few thunderstorms start to increase a little bit in coverage. And then even Friday into the weekend, the potential for some more mountain snow returns to the forecast too. Here is a look though at our river levels. Of course, that's another thing we're keeping a close eye on. The main river that's kind of our trouble spot right now, at least, is the Portneuf River. Pocatello, we're hanging out still in that minor stage. We'll have to watch as we kind of warm up towards midweek here. We could bump back closer to moderate. And then if you notice the forecast going out into the future bumping up quite a bit, a lot of that is very dependent on how much moisture we actually get out of some of those systems. So that's more so dependent on actual rainfall versus some of that snow melt. So again, we'll keep an eye on that. Similar at the Topaz Gauge, the Portneuf River there is kind of hanging out right around minor flood stage. High temperatures today, again, are going to be about 5 degrees cooler than where most of us were yesterday. Still, though, that means a lot of highs in the low, few mid-60s. Everyone else generally in the 50s. Breezy throughout the day today, not nearly as windy as it was yesterday. Wind gusts this afternoon closer to about 25, 30, again 35 miles per hour. As we get into Tuesday, the morning will start off in the 30s, and a lot of us warm back into the mid and upper 60s, close to 70 degrees. So again, we'll start to warm up a little bit more tomorrow. Wind's not much of an issue for us on Tuesday, pretty light there. And then as we get into Wednesday, you'll notice that warming trend continues. Wednesday looking to be the warmest day of the week as a lot of us push into the low 70s, potentially a few mid 70s, a little bit farther west, out into parts of the Magic Valley. But again, more of us will be in the 60s to low 70s. So that's just kind of a quick look, at least through the first half of the week. Some more potentially impactful weather will be coming in the second half of the week, but that's still a ways out. So overall, kind of enjoy the quiet start to the week today and for most of tomorrow. A little bit breezy today though. A few spotty showers Tuesday afternoon, evening. Warming as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday. And again, we'll keep an eye on that return to an active pattern as we go through the second half of the week into the weekend. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can always give us a phone call, send us an email. Social media, the best way to connect with us. Or if you want the latest weather forecast, you can always find that too at our website. Have a great day.